I'm doing this purple, violet, blue, kind of look like space makeup tutorial. I'm also showing you like my foundation routine, concealer, you know, all that stuff. So if you want to see this look, and don't forget to follow my social medias and subscribe to my channel. But if you want to see this look, then keep on watching. So guys, I've already done my kind of skincare routine, moisturize my face, serum, now all that. So I'm just going to do my eyebrows first. I know like a lot of people start with foundation and all that, but I'm not one of those people. I can't start like doing my makeup with foundation. It just feels so wrong, because then I'm gonna do the eyes later, and then it's just gonna be a lot of fallout. So it's not gonna be pretty. Anyways, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and I'm kind of those people that can't do my eyebrows on camera. It would not look cute, you know, the angles and everything. But a lot of people have asked me what I use, and I'm actually using this brow product from e.l.f. I think it's really good. It's kind of a two-piece product. This one is powder that's a little bit lighter, and that's a darker, I know, like brow pomade. I actually follow the shape of my eyebrows. I think it's much more easier, and I color them. So this is why I got eyebrows. I usually don't have any, but yes. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows. They turned out pretty good, and since I'm going for the more natural look, trying to act like I have like those thick eyebrows, which I don't have, I'm just gonna brush them through with some eyebrow gel and kind of make it more natural looking. I know. We're bringing this back. Then I'm going to do the eyes, and I'm actually going out tonight, or not like going out, but I'm going out to see a couple of my friends, like all my friends, but whatever. So it would be fun to have like an eyeshadow that would match my outfit, but of course I don't have like yellow eyeshadow, so I'm going in with some purple. But first I'm going to conceal, and I'm just using a concealer. This from NYX, and I'm just gonna conceal all my eyelid too. Is it bad that I'm not using any primer? Maybe, I don't know. I actually never use primer on my eyelid. The beauty cures will be shocked. Then I'm going to use my Laura Mercier powder to kind of set the concealer. I'm using the same brush. Since I don't have any yellow eyeshadow that would match this outfit perfect, I'm going in for some purple, because yeah, that's like the same thing. I'm just going in with some really bright purplish color. And this is just in my inner corner, and then I'm gonna fill it out with some darker purple in the outer corner. Baby, I felt like I couldn't breathe. When I look in your eyes, I know I'm right here where I need to be. This could be the last time we see each other, but I wanted you to know that this ain't over. If you fall turned out to be alive. I'm doing my whole eyelid with this light purple color, and then I'm just gonna blend some dark colors. I always freestyle, guys, so you should never listen to me, because I don't have anything planned in my head. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing on my other eye. Well, that was my phone. So I'm now going in with some darker purple colors, and I'm using this palette like I always do from BH Cosmetics. I'm mixing, where are those two? I'm mixing those two together because the other one is a little bit darker, the other one is a little bit pinker. Blend those two. And I'm putting it in the outer corner to give it more transition color. So I feel that this look is a little bit boring for my taste, so I'm gonna use a kind of a dark blue color from the same palette and place it on the center of my eyelid to give it a more like translucent effect, kind of, maybe. I wanted you to know that this ain't over. If you fall, I'll pick you up. Turned out pretty good. It definitely made an effect. I definitely don't think my look is boring out, but kind of gave me like this galaxy space look. I don't know. The last thing I'm going to do on my eyelid is that I'm going to take some glitter to put in my inner corner just to give it a more transition look. A palette, this is from Revolution, and I'm going for the colors, like the more white ones I'm going to use. I feel like it just completed the look with some more glitter. This is definitely not like a matte eyeshadow look. It is very much glitter. Maybe you can't see so good in the camera, but there's a lot of glitter going on. So I think I'm done with the eyes. Do you like it? I'm pretty happy. I just have one step to do. That is to place some eyeshadow under or on my lower lash line, and I'm kind of debating if I should go for a darker purple or a light color. But I'm thinking I'm gonna go for the light colors, because if you place two dark colors on there or on your lower lash line, it can look good, or it does make it look like you got beat up. So, and if I do it, probably gonna look like I got beat up. So I'm gonna take the light colors, and I'm actually going in after like I'm done with the face, the base, more on my lower lash line, but I just don't want it to mess up the concealer, so I'm taking more later. I'm just going in with a makeup wipe to remove the leftovers of the eyeshadow, and I always get leftovers. It's because like I press the brush into the eyeshadow. I don't know why. It's so bad, but I do it. Anyways, now I'm going in with a primer. And I'm using this primer from Smashbox. It's like the only primer I've tried, so don't really know what to say about it. Like, it may be good, it may not be good. I don't see a difference, so shit. Using a brush, and I just washed this, so I have a lot of pores around my nose, and I take a little bit on my chin and under the eyes. Wait, did I say chin? I mean cheeks. Cheeks, chin, nose. Then I'm gonna use my foundation. This is from Clinique Beyond Perfection. And maybe this is like super unhygiene stuff, but I don't know, I like to do this. Since this foundation is pretty dry, and I like foundation that's very liquidy, but I only have this for now, so it is what it is. So I'm going to use my serum to get it more liquidy. I mix my serum with some Master Strobing highlighter from Maybelline, and this is just to get a more liquidy, more glowy effect. I'm taking my brush, dip it, and then blend. You see how easy it is to blend now.
Never love the feeling. Why do I, baby? Why do I? Why do I, baby? Why do I? Why do I, baby?
Okay, so I'm done with the foundation. Now I'm going in for concealer, and I'm using two concealers right now. I'm using one from LA Girl. This is a more yellow tone. A bit more on my nose, on my chin. This is what I love to do, like around my nose. No, around my lips or mouth. This makes it like sharper. I love it. Now I'm gonna take some Laura Mercier powder to set my concealer, and I usually don't bake, especially under my eyes, because it will get so dry and I'll get so much lines under my eyes. So what I do is I take some powder on my beauty blender and just press it in.
Sometimes we forget why we're here.
Then I'm going in with a contour stick. This is from Benefit, and I'm taking a little bit on my forehead, cheekbone. I also like to go a little bit higher up, so kind of makes the illusion that I got high ass cheekbones. Try to hide my double chin, and then my nose. And I hate this because this is so big, so when you go and about to contour your nose, you get like too much product. So
they heard it pays, and who the fuck wants to be poor knowing that's how we've been raised.
I always take some makeup setting spray after the concealer, but I forgot, so I'm gonna do it now. And I'm using this Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. Since when I wear makeup, I get so oily around my T-zone. That's why I tried this. I'm going in with some bronzer, where I placed my contour stick thing, and I'm using this Bahama Mama. I seriously think that I have had this for like 5 years without like over exaggerating, like 5 years. So now I'm just going in with a bronzing color again, and this is just to get like more tan face because I'm pale as. I'm going in with a big brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just applying it on my forehead. Whoop. On my forehead, where I applied the contour.
Some mathematical logic. I'm not saying
Now I'm going in with some highlighter. I'm using the one and only, the OG Mary Luminizer from the Ball. Like the highlighter, but a little bit down my nose and a lot on my upper lip. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and then I'm gonna apply the false lashes. Like I always use the same lashes every time.
take me.
Now I'm going in with some lashes. These are from Your Lashes and Kiara, like I always use. Okay, so it's time for the last step, and I'm going to apply some liquid lipstick. This is from NYX, and I'm feeling a little bit brown nude color since I have so much color going on my eyes. So I'm gonna apply this. So I'm going in with some lip gloss to, I don't know, it felt a little bit boring, so I'm going in with lip gloss.